Is it time to buy or sell Intapp stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intapp. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has identified Intapp as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.36. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 22.83%. This equates to an average loss of -0.79% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are expected within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -38% and -26%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of -1.75%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -13.01% to +95.46% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $32.12 and $72.17. Our latest daily update for Intapp includes the headline, INTA Inc. stock upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after Tuesday trading session. The INTA Inc. stock price increased by 3.59% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, rising from $35.64 to $36.92. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.52%, reaching a low of $35.51 and a high of $37.11. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 9.75% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 93,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $69.26 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $77.74, while the lowest was $32.86. Currently, the price is 52.51%, or $40.82, below the 52-week high of $77.74, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Intapp reported a stronger-than-expected quarter today, delivering earnings per share of 27 cents versus roughly 23 cents expected and up from 15 cents a year ago. They also announced fiscal fourth-quarter results along with guidance for fiscal year 26. Management unveiled a $150 million share repurchase authorization and introduced a redesigned Intapp Time featuring advanced generative artificial intelligence timekeeping capabilities, a product already being adopted by large firms such as Trilegal. In the short term, the earnings beat, combined with a sizable buyback, is likely to lift the stock as markets reprice near-term profitability and a shrinking float. Positive product momentum and customer wins could amplify that movement. Over the longer term, generative artificial intelligence-led product upgrades and enterprise adoption could accelerate recurring revenue, improve payment velocity and margins, and justify a higher valuation if retention and annual recurring revenue expansion hold steady. Watch for volatility around the company's fiscal year 26 outlook and macro pressure on professional services spending. Guidance that disappoints could offset otherwise constructive signals from the earnings beat and buyback. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned INTA a reduced grade with a downgrade action. On the same day, Barclays also assigned INTA an underweight grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, UBS assigned INTA a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, Citigroup assigned INTA a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Raymond James assigned INTA a market perform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Intapp stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intapp. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.59%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence short-term developments. Intapp Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $38.26 and $43.75. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 98 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 102 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intapp. Intapp Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $35.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.61 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.52%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intapp, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 23 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intapp. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intapp is at $36.94. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intapp encounters its first support level at $35.64. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intapp from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by John T. Hall, who bought and sold 195,980 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, reflecting a ratio of negative 1.646. In total, insiders purchased 558,614 shares and sold 576,601 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss set in place. Is Intapp stock a good buy? INTA Inc. currently presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. We anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of August, we project that INTA will open lower by approximately 408/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $36.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.